to my channel. My name is Shalaka and I make videos on food, fashion, travel and lifestyle. So if any of these topics interest you, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and keep on watching. Now guys, if you are someone who's already good at makeup, I'm going to tell you guys not to watch this video because today I'm going to do something which is very basic but very necessary for the beginners who are just about to start their makeup process and who do not know anything about it, or who are very confused about like what concealer to buy, from where to buy it, or what foundation, or do not even know what to start with, because when I started with my makeup journey I hardly knew like what should I buy, what I shouldn't, and it was like a huge mess and confusion. Always, चाहे कितने भी videos देख लो, you are never clear like what and how you want to buy. So today I'm just going to show you the basic 6-7 products which are very essential and important to start your makeup. And this is only for the beginners guys, but if you're someone pro also, you can just like give it a watch. It's totally up to you. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so let's just start. The first and the very important product which I would suggest you guys is a primer. Now there are various types of primers available in the market. Like you get the blur ones, you get like the gel ones, you have like matte finish, and you can choose according to your skin type and definitely choose according to your skin type. But the one which I'm going to recommend you today is the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Now, which is this. So this primer gives you that instant coverage. It just softens your skin and create a very good canvas, so that whatever makeup you're going to do, it's just going to blend in so smooth and perfectly. And I highly recommend you this one guys. And also this is I'm going to mention the price as well. So the price for this is rupees 499, which is which I do not think is like too expensive. Now I have been using this one since like 5 months and it is still not over. There is still product available. Now of course also it depends on how much you use this. I have like 2 primers, so I like mix match them, and sometimes I use the other one which is from Lakme. But if you're a beginner, I would definitely recommend this one. The Lakme one which I use is also very nice, but when I compared the prices, I found out that this is like a bit cheaper. So I would definitely suggest you guys to go ahead and buy this primer. When it comes to your base makeup, to cover like whatever spot, the pigmentation, or if you want to just correct something which is like fine lines on your face or some spots, or even your dark circles. Now a concealer is very much important for all of this, but if you have very little problems like on your face, which I have, so I just get like dark circles, that too like sometimes. So I prefer using a concealer. When I'm like wearing a everyday look, I do not prefer like wearing my concealer, foundation, everything, because then that becomes too heavy. So if you're a beginner, I would definitely suggest you guys first go ahead and buy a foundation that will do most of the job. And if you still feel that some areas are still seen or visible which you would like to correct on your face, so you can definitely go ahead and buy a concealer for that. Now I'll just show you guys. So this is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer which I use at all times, and you can see it's like almost over. I just love this product and this is very nice. See it when you I'm just going to open it and show you. So when you open it, you see like this brush which is very like soft, and you can apply it with this. Obviously it pumps from here, and then you can just put it under your eye and just cover your dark circles and dark spots. And with this, if you feel that everything is like already like done, you can directly go ahead and apply some powder and set it up. But if you still feel the need for a foundation, then I would suggest you guys to go ahead and buy a foundation. Now the price for this concealer is 620. The MRP of this is rupees 620, which I again think is a like good buy. Also Maybelline products are really good, like if you're a beginner and if you want to start. Also if you do not want to spend much, because they are really budget friendly. So if you would see, all of my base products are mostly from Maybelline, because even I have not yet used any high-end products, and I prefer them because they give you really good coverage and like easy to like begin with. So I definitely recommend this one. Now if you're someone who wants to go in for a foundation with the concealer, obviously you can buy 2 of them at once and then use them. पर अगर एक ही खरीदना है, like you college going girls or any or someone who's low on a budget, sometimes buying both these things can be like a pretty expensive. So you can just select one. If you I would suggest you go for the foundation first, then you see what coverage it gives you, and later you can just if you feel the need for a concealer, you can go ahead and buy that. I prefer using a concealer instead of a foundation because foundation gives you a heavy look than a concealer, because concealer हम पूरे face पे नहीं लगाते हैं, we on the areas which we want to cover. So I feel that concealers are much more lighter than the foundation, and I suggest you guys to buy that. But if you want to buy a foundation as well, which is well and good, because then your party looks would be like glammed and complete. So for that I would definitely recommend the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 310, which I am, and this is priced $549, which is again a good buy. I have been using this for approximately 8 months now, 7 to 8 months, and it still has a basic amount of product left, so I would definitely recommend this. I know Nykaa and all these websites give you great discounts to buy your makeup products, but if you are someone who is buying all these products, the base products, for the first time, I would suggest you guys to go to a store, any cosmetic store in or around your area. Test the products on your jawline, because that's how you do the foundation. You have to check it. The shade has to match your jawline shade. So you just take some product onto your finger and you swipe it right here. You can just pick up 2-3 shades and then pick the right color for you guys, and the one which is very much suitable to your skin is your perfect shade, so you have to pick that one up. So that's how you buy the base products if you're a beginner. And later, when you know your shades, the exact shade you are in, you can definitely shop them online, which is preferable. I mean, because you do not want to spend on something you're not going to use, and which has happened with me a lot of times. So yeah, I would definitely suggest you this. Also, Maybelline has one more foundation, which is Super Stay foundation. Now this is a bit pricey. It is for 750 rupees, and if you compare the two, I would definitely go for this one. But there's nothing such as wrong with the Fit Me foundation as well, but the Super Stay one, I just feel that it blends in more smooth and gives you a very natural look. So I would also, it is a bit lighter on your skin, so I would definitely recommend the Super Stay one. If you are a little high on your budget, you can just buy this instead of this. Hardly 150 to 200 rupees ka difference hai, but both the products are good. If you buy this also, it's fine. This is superb, so anything is fine. To set everything up, to set up your primer, concealer and foundation, you're going to need a loose powder. But if you don't have a loose powder, it's fine, it's totally okay. You can just use your basic compact powder, which is in your shade. That has to be that is essential. The compact powder which you're using should be in your shade. So here I'm going to show you this, the one which I use. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me powder, compact powder. I use this to set everything in, and this is also in the shade 310. Price for rupees 480, which again I think is a good buy. Also, all these products will last you for, if you're a beginner, they're going to last you for approximately 5 months, because you know, starting mein we don't end up using these products so much. Very nice for anyone who wants to start off with their base makeup. There are many more cheap options for the compact powder. You can just pick up your right shade and use them. So this covers your base makeup. After this, what you want to do is totally up to you, like how you want to carry your look. But I would suggest you guys to buy a palette, to buy an eyeshadow palette which looks somewhat like this. This one is the Makeup Studio Ultra Pro HD like palette, and I had bought this like long back. I don't even remember when I bought this, but I'm just going to show you guys why I'm saying like to buy this one. So as you can see, there's a blush in this palette Then we have a highlighter. We have approximately 6 shades of eyeshadows, which are very good to do a smoky eye or a neutral look. Then you have this brown right here, which is good to contour your eyelids, your cheekbones, or any areas which you want to create shadows on. And then again we have a highlighter here. So you see all these things come in like super handy. Also, you won't have to go separately and buy all these products, because a blush, if you just apply some blush onto your cheeks, it is going to give you that nice rosy pink look. Then there's a highlighter, then there are eyeshadows. So these palettes come in like super handy. I would like suggest you guys to search for these palettes wherein you get like various things and then you can buy it, so that at first you do not have to spend a lot and also the job is done right here. So I had bought this palette for rupees 700. The exact price is somewhere around 7 to 800 rupees. So please search for an option like this and you're good to go. Even if you have to spend 1,000 rupees, go ahead, spend on this one, because this is definitely going to be useful. The next thing is mascara. I cannot stress enough, guys. If you don't do a liner, if you don't do your eyeshadow, if you don't do your brows, it's alright. It's not a problem. But just like curling up your eyelashes with a good mascara is going to like just turn your whole look upside down, because it instantly opens your eyes and they look so much more bold and brighter. I would definitely recommend the Colossal Voluminous Mascara, and this is for rupees 405. And the last and the most important thing is lipstick. Now this is totally up to you guys. Now I know lipstick we have all been wearing since when we were little, so I would not stress enough on this one. But the one most, if you ask me what lipstick, if you have to buy one lipstick and what should it be, I would definitely recommend any red lipstick. You can just go for any brand, whatever suits your budget, whatever suits like your type, whatever brand you want to buy. I'm just going to show you a very basic one in this. This is again of course the Maybelline creamy matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Red Liberation, and this is how it looks. It's a very good red lipstick, and I just think that every makeup vanity should definitely have this one. So it's good, it's creamy, it's very light on your lips. Also the price for this is just rupees 299, which is like so good. This is long lasting. In fact, I have been wearing this a lot when I go out, and it does not feel like too heavy on your lips, so I would definitely recommend this one. So I think this is basically something like a small Maybelline haul sort of, if you just exclude the if you just exclude the eyeshadow palette. Maybelline sponsor the video. So no, but this video is not sponsored. Maybe I can work with Maybelline the next time. So yeah, that is about the video, the products which a basic beginner should have to start with the makeup. And if you have any questions, you can mention them down and I would love to reply them for you guys. Yeah, with that we come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found the video helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Also the one who are pros at makeup, please share the video. Do that with your beginner friends. And I'll see you next time. Until then,